Welcome to Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. Make your foot the foot that counts. Legal analysis, implications of New York judge's decision on Trump's criminal trial. Through trials and tribulations, his fate unfurls. A tale of power, intrigue, and swirling whirls. In the annals of time, his legacy etched. Criminal indictments as justice is stretched. In history's tapestry, his name now sewn. To these trials he is prone. 91 counts, a saga to unfold. In courts of law, his stories to be told. In Florida's sun, where palm trees sway. Charges loom large, where shadows play. Echoes of deceit fill the sultry air. Classified secrets, mishandled Trump do dare. Criminal cases. Washington, D.C. case, Trump was indicted on. Felony charges related to efforts to overturn the 2020 election results. Charges include conspiracy to defraud the United States government and obstructing an official proceeding. Prosecutors allege Trump repeatedly claimed victory in the election despite knowing it was false and sought to persuade state officials and Congress to overturn the results. The trial date was initially set for March 4, but it was canceled due to an appeal by Trump regarding presidential immunity from prosecution for official acts. Trump has pleaded not guilty. Florida federal cases involving Jack Smith. Trump faces charges related to mishandling classified documents at his Florida estate. He allegedly hid records demanded by investigators and showed off classified material. Charges include repeatedly enlisting aides and lawyers to hide records and showing classified documents to visitors. A superseding indictment added charges accusing Trump of asking for surveillance footage to be deleted and illegally holding onto a document he allegedly showed off to visitors. Trump, along with valet Walt Nada and property manager Carlos de Oliveira, pleaded not guilty. The trial is set for May 20, 2024. New York hush money scheme. Trump faces state charges in New York related to hush money payments made during the 2016 presidential campaign to bury allegations of extramarital sexual encounters. The charges include 34 felony counts of falsifying business records linked to payments made to Michael Cohen to reimburse him for paying off Stormy Daniels. Jury selection is set for March 25, and Trump has pleaded not guilty. Georgia state racketeering case. Trump is charged with violating Georgia's anti-racketeering law alongside 18 other individuals, including Rudy Giuliani and Mark Meadows. The indictment accuses Trump and his allies of suggesting Georgia's Republican Secretary of State could find enough votes for him to win and attempting to persuade Georgia lawmakers to ignore the will of voters. County District Attorney Fani Willis and an outside prosecutor she hired. Civil cases. Investigation by New York Attorney General. The New York Attorney General's office conducted a civil investigation into the Trump Organization's financial practices, including allegations of inflating property values for financial gain. The status of this investigation is ongoing. The recent decision by Justice Juan Merchan of the New York court to proceed with the criminal trial against former President Donald Trump marks a significant juncture in both legal and political spheres. This analysis delves into the ramifications of the judge's ruling, examining its impact on Trump's legal defense, political aspirations, and the broader legal landscape. Judicial determination and legal implications. Justice Merchan's firm stance to deny Trump's motion to dismiss charges, particularly those related to hush money payments, underscores the judiciary's commitment to upholding the rule of law, irrespective of the defendant's stature. Justice Merchan stated, "At this point, I can inform you that we're moving ahead to jury selection on March 25. Signal a resolute commitment to due process and the impartial administration of justice." Political ramifications and campaign dynamics. The scheduling of the trial amidst Trump's presidential campaign endeavors presents a unique challenge, diverting His attention from traditional campaign activities to legal defense strategies. As Justice Merchant aptly noted, the trial will come in the middle of primary season, raising questions about the viability of Trump's electoral pursuits and the broader implications for the political landscape. Legal strategy and defense dynamics. Trump's legal defense team faces the daunting task of mounting a comprehensive defense against a myriad of charges, including falsifying business records. Trump's attorney, Todd Blanche, characterized the decision as completely election interference, highlighting the contentious nature of the legal proceedings and the complex interplay between legal and political considerations. Witness testimony and prosecutorial narrative. Central to the prosecution's case is the testimony of key witnesses, notably Michael Cohen, Trump's former attorney. Cohen's assertions regarding the hush money payments and Trump's involvement underscore the critical role of witness testimony in shaping the outcome of the trial. As Cohen himself declared, "I am not protecting Mr. Trump anymore," signaling a shift in allegiance with potential repercussions for Trump's defense. Ongoing legal battles and judicial precedent. Beyond the confines of the New York trial, Trump's legal entanglements extend to other jurisdictions, with implications for both his personal legal liability and broader legal precedent. The outcome of the trial, coupled with ongoing appellate proceedings, will undoubtedly influence the contours of presidential immunity, executive privilege, and the intersection of federal and state legal frameworks. Justice Merchant's decision to proceed with the criminal trial against Donald Trump heralds a critical juncture in contemporary legal and political discourse. As the legal proceedings unfold, the implications for Trump's legal standing, political aspirations, and broader legal precedent will reverberate far beyond the confines of the courtroom, shaping the trajectory of both his legacy and the broader legal landscape. New York's skyline, where dreams take flight. Hush money whispers, hidden from sight. In Georgia's land, falsified, justice delayed. Amidst the glimmer of New York City's charges made. Much appreciation to you for giving up your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. We trust you will come back soon.